Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Forms and creating a new form titled for your election. This gets voters oriented. Add a short description and an election date so responses are time-stamped. Once done, enable collect emails and limit to one response to prevent duplicate voting. Next, choose question type equals multiple choice for single winner races. Add mandatory fields for name and voter ID. These initial steps secure participant identity while keeping form access simple. Now you design the ballot. Create one section per race and use multiple choice questions to enforce single selections. Make sure each question is required so no ballot is incomplete. Once sections exist, apply section-based branching for conditional races. This keeps voters on relevant pages only. Also set response validation for voter ID formats to reduce errors. After that, preview the form and test the full flow to confirm transitions and validations. Behave as to finish, set form access. Restrict to domain or allow public link depending on your voter pool, and add trusted collaborators with editor rights. Once ready, distribute the link or send email invitations and include clear voting window times. After voting closes, export responses to Google Sheets and run a quick audit. Remove duplicates, verify ID, and mark provisional cases. If something goes wrong, check form settings and the Sheets filters first. Often miscounts stem from incorrect response validation or duplicate entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.